children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class we have learned about different shapes like square, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval. So we have identified the shapes, drawn, colored, everything done. So now let us go to another topic. Shapes that slide and roll. Shapes that slide and roll. I have a ball, I can roll it. Did you see a ball? See here, a ball. A ball, if we just push the ball, it will roll. I have a notebook, it cannot roll but it can slide. See, a notebook. If we push the notebook, see this notebook is there. If I am pushing this notebook, it will just slide. It cannot roll. But if I am pushing this pencil, see, it will roll. This pencil is rolling. But this book cannot roll. It will just slide. Okay. A pencil which is the shapes which are round, they will roll. But the shapes which are not in a round shape, they will only slide. See, this book is sliding. You can see here, see this ball is rolling and the notebook is sliding. Yes, all objects cannot roll. We cannot roll all the objects. Only some objects can be rolled and some objects can be slided. And even some objects are there which can even roll and slide also. So let us do the exercise relating to that. See, we can push or slide flat objects on flat surfaces. See this clock, this compass box, all this can slide. This ball, this tire, both slide and roll round objects on a flat place. So this tire, we can slide it and even we can roll also. Okay. Color the circle red for the things that slide and blue for the things that slide and roll. See, you have to take the red color and the blue color and color the things with the red which will slide, and color the things blue which can slide and roll. Okay, take the red and blue crayons or color pencils. Okay. See, take a red crayon or a color pencil. Color the circle red for the things that slide. See, a compass box. It can only slide. It cannot roll. Okay, it can only slide. So, color it red. Okay, color it red. A ball. It can slide. A ball can slide, no? A ball can roll. A ball can roll. Color it blue. Okay. A teddy bear. A teddy bear. A teddy bear can slide and even roll also. So color it blue. Okay. Then a pencil. A pencil can roll. And even it can slide. Color it blue. Okay. Then a book. A book, it cannot roll. It can only slide. A book can only slide. So color it red. Okay, children. It can only slide. It cannot roll. And this a donut. A donut, it can slide. It can roll. It can slide and it can roll, so color it blue. Okay. Then this a tin. It can slide, it can roll, blue. So in this way, check whether it will slide or it will roll and complete the coloring part. And how many things can slide? So count after completing, count the number of the red and write it here, and count the number of blue items and write it here. Okay. Then let us turn the page 68. Then what we have in the page number 68? Some NCR. Join the similar shapes. Join the similar shapes. See this triangular shape. Where is this another triangular shape? Here. Okay. Cylinder. Circle. Okay. Then next, page number 69. Pick the objects that will roll. Roll. What are the objects that will roll? A ball and onion. These two objects will roll. And tick the objects that will slide. See what all the objects that can slide. See a cucumber, it will roll. And if we push the tomato, it will roll. A suitcase, if we will push the suitcase, it will just slide. It will not roll. It is slide. A battery will roll. Okay, only a suitcase can slide. All other things will roll. Then scratch your brain. Count the number of shapes and match. Count the number of shapes. See how many circles are there in this design and count and match it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do you find any more? Only 4. So match it to 4. Okay. Then triangles. How many triangles are there? See this? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? That type of. How many triangles can you find? Only 4 we can find. Do you find any more? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let us check this square. Only one big square we can find. Okay. Then this leaf shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only this also we can find only 4. Triangles are 6. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 5, this one 6. 6 triangles we can find. Okay, 6 triangles. And this leaf shape. So even this leaf shapes also we can see only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also only 4. Okay. Then what we have? Then turn the page 70. Page number 70. In the given figure, color 9 boxes to form a square. Color 9 boxes to form a square. This is for your homework. You have to do the coloring to form a square. Okay, color the 9 boxes. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This any 9 boxes you can take and color it. Okay. Then fun with shapes. Observe how the dotted line divides the triangle into 2 equal parts. See here, straight, slanting and slanting, upward, downward, slanting. Now using the dotted line, show the number of ways a square can be divided into 2 equal parts and color one part. See here, in this way also it is divided into 2 parts. So it can be divided into two equal parts. With these lines, it can be divided into two equal parts. Okay. Then we have individual activity. So this individual activity, if you want, you do with in an activity, you can do it. What do you need for that? A pencil, a white sheet of paper, crayons, glue stick and scissors. And how you have to do? Take a white sheet of paper, fold it twice as shown. So from up and from sideways you have to fold it. Draw a triangle on it and cut it. So draw one triangle and cut that triangle shape. Then you will get 4 triangles of the same size. From that you will get. Repeat the above steps to cut circles, squares, rectangles and ovals. Color all the shapes. On a sheet of paper, paste the shapes obtained to form pictures of the objects like this. Okay, in this way you can do an activity. So that's all for today. We have finished with this chapter. We'll be doing with the new chapter in another class. Have a good day.